previously we did a lot of activities in Naran and it was so much fun.
यहाँ पे लैंडस्लाइडिंग का कोई आइडिया नहीं होता. अभी आपकी बस गुजर के ये पीछे लैंडस्लाइडिंग होगी, रास्ता बंद हो जाता है.
So much fun. Right now we're moving to now, but this spot is actually really beautiful. Let me show you. This is so beautiful. There is no way and my family is running back. Look. अब क्या हुआ है? Assalamu alaikum everybody and welcome back to another vlog. Well, this vlog is gonna be very much interesting, much more interesting than the previous one. Previously we did a lot of activities in Naran and it was so much fun, literally. Right now I am in Chilas. Night stay was at Chilas if you've seen my previous vlog. So in this vlog today, where are we going? Well, we are going to Skardu. I have been to Naran Kagan, to Hunjra Pass, to Mari so many times, literally so many times. And today, I'm going to Skardu. It's gonna be my first time in Skardu because whenever we come, it's usually cold there and the temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius. And it becomes hard, the roads are blocked all the time. So it becomes impossible. But this time we are going there and inshallah we are gonna see Nanga Parbat viewpoint over there, as well as we are going to Shangri-La Resort. I've listened a lot that is really beautiful, and Upper Kachura Lake. So stay with me till the end. So we are gonna enjoy together. So let's go. Right now I am in Chilas, outside of the hotel where we stayed. Roads are almost empty and the view here is awesome, literally so beautiful. So I decided to make my own videos here as well. Let me tell you about Chilas. So the temperature in Chilas is relatively higher than the other districts in Gilgit-Baltistan. Chilas is in the Dami district of the Gilgit-Baltistan and it is quite famous for its rugged mountains and rocky cliffs. Moreover, it is River Indus which is flowing nearby. So you see, Chilas is actually surrounded by River Indus. Now we are heading towards the most beautiful and luxurious resort. It is quite famous because it is located near heart-shaped lake. So basically that lake and the way it is between the mountains, the resort itself is just heaven, and that is what I realized when I reached there. Look at these rocky cliffs. Aren't they majestic? They were huge. So we were enjoying songs and views on our way.
आपके राइट साइड पे जो पहाड़ है ना, वो रेत और मिट्टी के पहाड़ है. यहाँ पे लैंडस्लाइडिंग का कोई आइडिया नहीं होता. अभी आपकी बस गुजर के ये पीछे लैंडस्लाइडिंग होगी, रास्ता बंद हो जाता है. मतलब ये डेंजरस तरीन ये वाला रोड का हल कहलाता है. ठीक है, मतलब इसका कब रास्ता बंद हो जाए किसी को कोई आइडिया ही नहीं होता. तो ये आगे एक पॉइंट आएगा आपके राइट साइड वालों को नजर आएगा. ऊपर से पानी आ रहा होगा ना, एक बनी हुई है छोटा सा ना पॉइंट सा बना हुआ है. वहाँ से हर सीज़न में मतलब आपके 24 घंटे तक मतलब गर्म पानी निकलता है. सर्दी हो गर्मी हो उबलता हुआ गंदा जो है ना गर्म पानी निकलता है। अब कुछ लोग वो कहते हैं कि कंक्रीट के पहाड़ हैं उसके अंदर से निकलता है, कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि कुदरती है। तो ये दो वजूहत हैं इस पानी की। वो आप फुल सर्दी में भी आ जाएंगे ना तो वो पानी उबलता हुआ ऊपर से आएगा। लोगों का कहना है कि अंडे रख के अगर उसमें उबालेंगे ना तो वो भी 5 मिनट में उबल जाएंगे। ये आगे आपके आएगा, वो पानी से धुआं निकल रहा होगा, ये सड़क पे आप लोगों को हल्का हल्का नजर आएगा, यहाँ से रिश्ता हुआ आएगा।
आपने पहले बताना था मंडे।
So this is said to be the most dangerous road here because here you don't know when a stone will fall. Landsliding is very common here and so occur many accidents over here. So that is why it is said that we must be very cautious when trying to go from here. As well as on the right side next we are gonna get a waterfall which is said to be some boiling water. So like if you ever wanna do something, some people also say that you can boil the eggs if you want to. So that is just an assumption of how hot the water could be. So stay with me and I'll show you. Locals call the water as Tatta Pani. Tatta Pani was only in small amounts so we could not see it much, but I saw some. That's it.
लेफ्ट साइड पे आपके रायकोट ब्रिज है और राइट साइड पे आपके ऊपर ट्रैक जा रहा है। यहाँ से जीप ट्रैक स्टार्ट होता है आपका फेरी मेडोज का। फेरी मेडोज सुना होगा नाम सबने?
Yes.
ठीक है, तो ये आपके राइट साइड पे ऊपर जीप जाती है। ठीक है, ये रायकोट ब्रिज से आपको जीप मिलती है, ऊपर जाता है राइट फेरी मेडोज को ट्रैक। ठीक है, ये आपके लेफ्ट पे आएगा रायकोट। ठीक है, वहाँ जीप्स आप देखेंगे खड़ी हुई हैं, वहीं से ऊपर जाती हैं। 3.5 घंटे का जीप ट्रैक है और 3-3.5 घंटे की ही हाइकिंग है। फिर जाके आप पहुँचते हैं ऊपर फेरी मेडोज में। फिर अगले दिन स्टार्ट होता है आपका नांगा पर्वत बेस कैंप 1। तो ये इसका 5 डेज़ का एक अलग से टूर होता है नांगा पर्वत का, सॉरी फेरी मेडोज का। ये ट्रैक है ऊपर, ये ट्रैक जा रहा है।
So this is the track of Raikot which will bring you to Fairy Meadows. I also told you earlier that Fairy Meadows is one of the most beautiful areas over here. I have been there and when you go up after hiking, it feels like you are in a fairy tale. Everything seems so beautiful, it's so sweet and so good. But there is one thing that I would like to recommend you. You must never order chicken over there because chicken is not properly cooked, maybe because there is low pressure up above. Fairy Meadows height is a lot and as per the tour guide she told us that 3 to 4 hours are required for the hiking and as well as 3 to 4 hours for the jeep. And when you are in jeep, that road is said to be the deadliest road of Pakistan. So you must be very careful regarding that. Lady Gaga is again standing in the middle of the road. So we've got the break right now of 30 minutes because after this spot, actually we are moving towards Skardu and there is gonna be no point where we will be stopped. There will only be traveling, I think maybe 2 to 3 hours. Therefore we have a break of 30 minutes where we can rest, where we can buy something if we wanna eat. You don't know, but this spot is actually really beautiful. Let me show you. Look how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful. It's between the mountains and I think somebody has grown something over here, some vegetables, Yeah, this is it. That's our bus standing. Another mountain over here. That's my sister.
ब्लॉगिंग खड़ा हम भी ब्लॉगिंग करा मजा आया आपको ये पीपल के दरख्त
Yes.
पीपल के हाँ ये देखो ये पीपल के गाइस मुझे पीपल नहीं पता लेकिन ये पीपल के दरख्त है ये पीपल के दरख्त है वैसे होता क्या है पीपल
दरख्त होते हैं छाँव के लिए लंबे लंबे से जो होते हैं
पीपल के लिए तो मतलब पीपल
लोगों के लिए
Right now we are exploring the area. The area is quite beautiful and we are in between them. Look, they are walking between them. So it's a forest over here as you see. So you see it's a forest here. And we are gonna walk. Look at my sister. She's gone through it. There are cows.
से भी हम निकल सकते हैं
Not going so deep. Ouch.
ये ना
Because there are thorns everywhere and if you get one this is gonna hurt really bad.
ये अनार है और ये सेहत के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है मीठा होता है जितने ज़्यादा करता है
ये इतना अच्छा है.
ये अनार है
So this is the tree.
तोड़ना नहीं कच्चा अभी
जी. This is the tree of anar. Pomegranate.
इंग्लिश बोल गई थी गाइस इंग्लिश बोल गई थी
No, that's not the case. So this is my sister trying her best to take a picture with this, but she is constantly eating it. She doesn't want to. I'm a bit scared. No, Misha.
ये मिल जाता है तुम जाते हो मदरसे जाते हो
मतलब एजुकेशन ले रहे हैं वो लोग.
मतलब तालीम तुम लोग ले रहे हो ना आप जाते हो मदरसे में नहीं जाते
यहाँ क्या करते हो
मस्जिद जाते हो अच्छा आप
घर है इधर.
घर है इधर
जाते हो
किधर घर है
मदरसा
वो है पीछे जो है हम उधर जा सकते हैं जा सकते हैं
सही हो गया
नहीं
लेकिन ये मैं जब भी
और शर्मा रहा है.
दूर से नहीं जाती मुझसे डरती हूँ
As you see, all of these people are coming here. Buses are stopping by. Why? Because after this there is just traveling and there will be no break and there will be no such point where they will allow you to stop. So that's it. That is why the buses are standing there. And yeah, the area is so damn beautiful. Everything is here is so beautiful. And me too. I'm trying lassi now. So lassi is very famous here, especially in the villages. Why? Because lassi is a mixture of yogurt and water, and this is so good.
समझ लो 60% पानी का शुगर है
People here are really very nice. Nice for everyone and more nice for the foreigners. We went to him for water. He gave us the water because mineral water was hot, and so he said that they had the water stored for themselves and which he gave us. This was the water for their drinking, but they gave us because it was cold and the other water was warm. Yeah, and he didn't even charge us for this.
ये पॉइंट यहाँ पे कोहे कराक्रम, कोहे हिमालय, कोहे हिंदू कुश, ये तीनों एक ही पॉइंट से आपको नजर आएंगी. ठीक है. और नीचे दरिया में आप देखेंगे तो दरियाए सिंध और दरियाए गिलगित, ये दो दरिया एक ही जगह पे कनेक्ट करते हैं. ठीक है. पानी का डिफरेंस आपको बता देगा कि राइट साइड से दरियाए गिलगित और लेफ्ट साइड से आपके दरियाए सिंध है. ठीक है. ये ऊपर जाके देखेंगे तो दरिया का वो नजर आ जाएगा. और पिक्चर्स वीडियोस के लिए 10 मिनट है, आप लोग जो है ना वो कर लें.
Right now we are at the 3 junction point where 3 mountains, Kohe Himalaya, Kohe Hindustan and Karakoram. These 3 mountains are the biggest, tallest mountains of the world, and they can be seen from here. And I'm gonna show you as well. Over here, you see? Look at that. Mama, इनमें से कौन से हैं? टॉलेस्ट है तो इनके ऊपर बड़ा क्यों नहीं, मुझे तो लग रहा है वो है. वो है ना 1 2 3. 1 2 and 3.
तो यहाँ पर कह रही थी कि जो पानी है ना वो बताता है कि
The water which is coming from the right side is the Sindh, and the left one is the one Gilgit.
लेकिन तीन है ना तो मुझे तीसरा नहीं आ रहा।
And the colors vary. One has the color of a sand and the other is whitish.
वहाँ आके पता चलता है।
Yes, that this point shows the color difference. One is whitish and the other is a little brownish. So that's it. This area
पिक्चर्स बना लो,
is super beautiful.
इधर बना लो।
And here's my sister modeling. This area is so beautiful. This is really something special because this is the area where two rivers meet, Gilgit and the Sindh one. And you know what? This is the area where the 3 tallest mountains of the world can be seen. So ain't it beautiful? This is so beautiful. Okay, so let's go. This area is really beautiful. Even you can run here. There is no way, and my family is running back. Look. अब क्या हुआ है? तो अब पता लग गया, पहले बताए। कितनी खुशी से आप लोग नीचे गए थे।
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.
So please like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.